Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are met: latest WhatsApp, online devices, and the contact saved. Now open the chat with the person you want to secure. Tap the contact name to view contact info. Make sure you can see encryption listed. Once you see encryption, tap it to view the QR code and 60-digit number. This is your verification artifact. You will use these immediately to verify keys, so have the other person ready on their device to confirm the match. You now verify keys to ensure messages are end-to-end encrypted. If both are together, tap scan code and point your camera at their QR. Otherwise, compare the 60-digit code aloud or over a trusted call. Once the scan code or numbers match, tap verify. This exchange confirms that the public keys belong to your contact, preventing man-in-the-middle attacks. After verification, WhatsApp flags the chat as encrypted. Make sure to repeat this for critical contacts or when you reinstall or change devices. Finish by confirming encryption status. Open contact info and check encryption shows verified. You should enable two-step verification and encrypted backups to protect keys long-term. If codes fail to match, stop, don't accept. Rescanning or starting over prevents compromised sessions. If problems persist, ask both parties to update the app, restart devices, and retry verification. Remember, reinstalling WhatsApp or switching phones will change keys, so always re-verify critical contacts after those events to maintain true end-to-end security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.